In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can make a marketing project planner in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Excel. Click on Microsoft Excel under the best match. Now in this window, you will find this option more templates. Click on that. So make sure you are connected to an internet connection before you can go on with this process. Click on the search bar and type marketing project planner. Okay, and click on this search icon and you'll find this one. Click on that. Click on the create button and there you go. So you just need to simply change this words or text from here depending on your text or your requirement. Okay, so you can change this from here depending on your task. But anyway, this is how you can create a marketing project planner in Microsoft Excel. And if you want to save this, simply click on the File tab, click on Save As, browse for the location, click on the desktop, and then you can simply click on the save button. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can do it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.